Hi everyone, welcome back to Train Your English Brain. I'm Emma. Today I want to ask you a question. Do you ever speak English very fast, but people don't understand you? You say a sentence quickly, then they say, "Sorry, what did you say?" You feel embarrassed. You slow down and try again, but the moment passes and you feel like you failed. That feeling is not nice. It happens to so many learners all around the world. They think fast English means good English. They watch movies, they hear native speakers talk quickly, so they try to copy that speed. But here is the truth. Speaking fast is not the goal. Speaking clearly is the goal. Today, I will teach you one simple rule. This rule can change the way you speak English forever. The rule is speak slowly and correctly. Don't speak fast and wrong. Let me explain why this matters so much. When you speak fast before you are ready, several things go wrong. You skip sounds, you mix up words, you forget grammar. Your mouth cannot move fast enough to make the words correctly, and the listener's brain, it cannot follow you either. Two people, both confused, both frustrated. But when you speak slowly, everything changes. Every word becomes clear. Your pronunciation improves. Your grammar becomes more accurate because you have time to think. And the listener, they understand you the first time. No repeating, no confusion, just smooth communication. Let me tell you a story. This is a story about a real student, and I will call him Leo. Leo studied English for 3 years. He knew many grammar rules. He knew thousands of words. But when he spoke, nobody understood him. Why? Because Leo spoke very fast. He wanted to sound like a native speaker immediately. He thought speed showed skill. But every time Leo spoke fast, his pronunciation became messy. Words blended together, sounds disappeared. People kept asking him, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Leo felt embarrassed. He started to avoid speaking. He almost gave up on English completely. Then one day, Leo's teacher gave him a challenge. She said, "For 1 week, speak only slowly. Even if it feels strange, even if it feels too slow, just try it." Leo agreed, a little unsure. At first, it felt uncomfortable. Speaking slowly felt unnatural, almost childish. But something amazing happened. People started understanding him immediately. No more confused faces, no more repeating sentences. His confidence grew, little by little, day by day. And slowly, naturally, his speaking speed increased on its own. But now his English was still clear. This is the real secret behind fluent English. Speed comes later, naturally, by itself. First, you need clarity. A slow, clear sentence is always more powerful than a fast, confusing one. Remember this every single day. Now, let's practice together. I will say a sentence slowly. You repeat after me, slowly too. Are you ready? Let's begin. I like coffee. Now you say it with me. I like coffee. Good job. Let's try a slightly longer sentence. I go to work every day. Now you say it. I go to work every day. Wonderful. Now let's go a little faster but still very clear. I go to work every day. One more time with confidence. I go to work every day. Excellent work. Let's try a new sentence. Listen carefully first. She speaks English very well. Now repeat slowly. She speaks English very well. Now let's say it a bit faster, but keep it clear. She speaks English very well. You're doing wonderfully. Let's continue with 3 more sentences. Repeat each one after me, slowly and clearly, one by one. I am learning English. Now you say it. I am learning English. I practice every single day. Now you say it. I practice every single day. I am not afraid to speak. Now you say it. I am not afraid to speak. Do you feel that? When you slow down, your mouth has time to move correctly, your brain has time to organize the words, and your listener has enough time to truly understand you. This is the power of slowing down. Here's a fun exercise for you. Look around your room right now. Choose 3 objects near you. Say their names slowly out loud in English. For example, this is a chair. This is a window. This is a book. Take a moment now, look around, choose your own 3 objects. Say each sentence slowly and clearly out loud. Don't rush yourself. There is no timer. There is no race. Remember this important idea. Your mouth learns English by speaking it again and again. Your brain learns English through repetition, day after day. So please, don't feel shy. Speak slowly, speak out loud, and do it every single day, even for just a few minutes. Many learners try to skip this important step. They want to sound fast and fluent immediately, without patience. But real fluency always comes after real clarity. First, slow and correct, then, naturally and gradually, you become faster. This is exactly how every successful English learner grows, one small step at a time, not overnight, not by magic. So here is your homework for today. Choose one simple English sentence. Say it slowly 5 times out loud. Then stand in front of a mirror and say it again. Watch how your mouth moves when you speak. This small daily habit will completely transform your English over time. I know this feels small. I know it feels simple. But small steps repeated every single day create truly big results over weeks and months. Discipline is the real secret behind fluent English speakers. Not talent, not luck, just consistency, day after day. So, my friend, please promise me one thing today. Speak one English sentence slowly and clearly right now out loud. Tomorrow, do it again, and the day after that, too. Build this habit one sentence at a time. Thank you so much for practicing together with me today. If this lesson helped you even a little, please come back tomorrow for a brand new lesson. And remember, speak slowly, speak clearly, and your confidence will grow stronger every single day. See you in the next episode, my friend. Keep practicing, stay patient with yourself, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.